Welcome to my channel. I went to put up this video, changed my mind, and I deleted the wrong video. So I'm doing this over. This is Let's Name My Bird. The Catcher by the winner gets a $50 gift certificate to Capture by Radiance. If you're outside of her shipping, leave that alone. I will give you an alternate gift certificate. Come here. You could enter as many times as you want. Do not comment and put all the names in one. Like, do it separate, you know what I mean? That way, because I'm going to use the number generator. And that will be the winner. But let me tell you something a little bit about... Come on, step up. About this little guy. It is strongly suspected that it is male. But it could be female. I'm going to have it DNA sex. So right now I'm looking for a neutral name. It is only 2 months old. He should be learning to fly about now, but unfortunately his wings were clipped. So until he molts and grows back, he's not going to learn how to fly. Give me a kiss. He's like glue. First of all, he does step up. I've taught him that, but he'll step up to me because he wants to step up. Not because I tell him to step up. Say hi to the people. Say hi. He is a sentiment. Not gray. Which cinnamon is basically lightly than gray. You have to be subscribed to my channel. And I want to welcome to the new subscribers. I saw one left, probably because they saw the video deleted. So apparently that person was here just for the giveaway. They would have left anyways. So that's no big deal. Oh, a shout out to my winner that chose a painting from Uniquely Down Under. You were not forgotten. It has been ordered. It has been paid. They just haven't shipped it out. So please be patient. Don't think I forgot you. Diana, don't. Anyways, back to the video. I don't know if you could notice, on his feet, he's missing nails. So climbing is difficult. Payday, I got to get him some, like, the rope purchase to put through his cage. He's just learning to climb. Where are you going? Here, I'll put my head straight so you can climb up there. Could I come up? Or you just want to be on my arm? You... Huh? Yeah? Oh, sorry, folks. Where'd you go? You step up? There you go. Don't eat my hair. So just comment down below, and I will catch you next time. And because I noticed that in the original video, I did have a lot of people come watch it, but they didn't comment, which tells me they probably didn't watch the video full. This giveaways are for my subs who actually watch the videos. Anyways, happy diamond painting. Welcome to the new subs, and I'll catch you later.